Organs inside our body. Our body has different parts that do different functions. Some parts are outside the body that we can see, whereas others are inside the body that we cannot see. Our body. Our body is like a machine, it is made up of different parts that help us to perform different functions. They help us to see, think, smell, run, hold, throw, and breathe. The body parts such as hands, brain, legs, stomach work together for our body. Also, we have 5 sense organs, such as eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. Some organs of our body can be easily seen, such as hands, nose, legs, eyes, ears. These are called external organs. Some other parts such as stomach, brain, liver, and heart are present inside our body and cannot be seen. They are called internal organs. Location of internal organs. Brain, it is placed inside our head. Heart, it is situated in the center of our chest, slightly towards left, it is enclosed by the rib cage. Lungs, lungs are a pair of spongy structures present on either sides of our chest. Stomach, stomach is located below our lungs. Kidneys, we have 2 kidneys in our body, these are located on either side of the backbone, below the stomach, just next to our waist. Structure of internal organs. The brain is soft, it is protected by our head. The heart is a muscular organ, having 4 chambers, reddish brown in color, it makes a lub-dub sound every time it beats. Lungs, the 2 lungs look like big bags inside our body, we have 1 on each side. Stomach, we have 1 stomach, it looks like the letter J. Kidneys, kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs. Thank you. A presentation by Naseem, D.S.